All right, you guys, here's the load. You can X-strap it, but I have 2 straps. I've never X-strapped these before, but you can. I did this strap in edge protector to hold these 2 down since they're going long ways. 2 straps on each of these, shouldn't go anywhere. I have a winch there and a winch in the front just in case I need to do an X-strap. So shouldn't go anywhere. Same thing over here. I got my stick pocket. Same thing, edge protector and strap are holding those down. So should be pretty easy. We're gonna get out of here. We need to get to Ontario by 2 o'clock tomorrow. So I'm gonna get out of here. See you guys on the next video. Good morning, everyone. We're here at Kettleman City. We drove about 4 hours from Williams, California to here. Load's doing really well, as you guys can see. Not too bad. Plan is, since the 90 is closed today, and they're closed Monday too, so they're taking a 4-day vacation for this holiday. We're gonna drop this at the Fontana yard, hopefully get a load, probably to Salt Lake, I'm hoping, but dispatch and sales know I need another load, so that's the plan. We should be there about 1300. We need to get to Lebec to take a 30. From Williams to Fontana is about 8.5 hours, so I have to take a 30, which kind of sucks. If you guys know about truck driving or been on the road, after Williams there's no truck stops for like 3 hours because of Sacramento and stuff like that. So I was out of hours, only have about an hour left, so I had to stop at Williams. I would have liked to go like another hour down the road and not take a 30 today, but it is what it is. We're gonna try to get to Fontana by 1300, which is 1, and hopefully get a load, drop my son off, and we'll see from there. Maybe I'll stay at home Friday night and then get back on the road Saturday. We'll see, I don't know. We'll let you guys know. See you on the next video. What's up, everyone? We are here in Rancho Cucamonga at Metal Coaters. Been here numerous times, did my first video here. So the deal was we just dropped that shingle load off. Wasn't too happy about it. It didn't deliver until Tuesday, and I got to the Fontana area by 1300. Didn't have a load,
in 1/4 mile,
so I had to sit at home after
Avenue.
Friday all the way till Tuesday morning. Not a big deal. Got to spend time with friends and everybody, but money-wise, kind of sucks. But it's a new year, and we're gonna grind and get tons of loads and just make tons of money here. Oh, they put a new sign up here. They changed the name. It's now Blue Scope Coated Products. Okay. So not too happy, but hey, the place I just dropped off, fast. I love when guys unload you right by your trailer, 2 forklifts, you're out in 15 minutes. That's how every receiver should be, is unload us quickly, get us out of the way, then move the product to the back. I wish everybody did that way, but that's the perfect world that we don't live in. So let's see, we're the first ones here, so I'll pull all the way up. But hope you all have a good New Year's. Hopefully you got your resolutions that you're gonna do better at certain things. Mine's never work out. But the plan is just to make money and spend more time with my son. So that is gonna be the plan. We're gonna get checked in right here. All right, so like I always stated, you wanna ask them what you're getting. So you want to ask what you're getting, what's the weight, have your straps ready, and then when they're loading your trailer, make sure it's centered. I think I'm getting 5. And then ask them, but I come here a lot, so I know these guys very well. So they always do a good job. Right there. Perfect. What's the weights on them? Center light. Looks like it's gonna be even. He's gonna put 6, so I might grab 2 more straps. If it was an odd number, he would have put this here and then put 2 or 3, whatever you need on the outside. Just didn't like it. Am I getting 6? Yeah, okay. Back up. Right there. That's good. Take these. Since he started all the way to the front, the next ones are going to go to the back. So. Keep that one there. Not twisted. So it should be. That's good. So always when they're loading, ask them, can I throw straps, or what's the rules? Some places you got to stay in the cab, but if they let you out here, make sure they can see where you're at all times. So my rule is, what I've learned is always stay in the back of the trailer or the front. But usually you just make eye contact, make sure he can see you. In this situation, he's working on that side only. He's not going to come to this side. So I'm okay where I'm at. But usually I try to stay where they can see me, so they're not looking for me. So by the time I got here, I got 3 straps folded up. Time is money. And make sure not too tight, because you want to get your edge protectors on there. Cool.
Well, everything is early. Like,
yeah.
He's picking up a load from Friday.
Oh.
You know, and a lot of times that's what you guys do. But they say that the date means you guys are gonna be there a day ahead of time. Sometimes you guys are there like a week ahead of time.
That's why I always call you, because I know that happens.
I mean, if it's there, load it. If it's not ready, pull it and load it. I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
I'm here, you know.
So I always call you, make sure if it's one of those like it's not supposed to be ready until noon, then you go fucking go get it somewhere.
This one was ready on Friday.
Really?
Yeah. We worked till 2 Friday. I left, and I don't know, but I think Jose worked till 4. I told him just leave, dude. I mean, everybody.
Yeah. See, that's bullshit. I was looking for a load on Friday. You guys, everybody said they were closed Friday and Monday.
Well, you know what? That's my dumbass mistake. I thought I was off.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So Thursday, I'm talking to the foreman, and I was covering up the coils. I got to cover these up for tomorrow. And he goes, why you say for tomorrow? Because we're off. We're off Friday and Monday. He goes, no, we work Friday. So then I come in. It's just us. And the splitter. The main line, there's nobody here. I'm like, this sucks. I got to work for myself.
Because Prime said you guys were closed. I had a load. I was going to go to Salt Lake, come back, and drop the load.
You could ask this one.
Yeah.
Other one.
Yeah. Lost money. It's bullshit. I think it's on Prime more than anything, too.
Yeah, well, it's there. It's all them. They're supposed to know.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know who tells them about the load, but they know before we do.
Yeah, I know. It's bullshit. They're a bunch of fucking lazy asses, that's
I
what.
hope they start changing.
Yeah.
That would be nice. How do you guys know the load's ready? Just get to it, load's ready.
It'll never happen. No, I ain't going to get into that conversation. Guy was open till 2. And this load was ready by Friday. I ain't going to get into it. It's just going to make me more mad. I'll call Prime. Well, you know, they'll give you a bullshit story. I don't want to hear it. Up, down. Let's go. How it should look. Don't make one side tight. So what you do is you start on one side. Okay. And then you can tighten it. It's like you say the flaps on this side. Probably needs to get tighter over there. See how that flap was way over there? And you don't see it here. So What I'm gonna do is take this, pull it down. See, take this one. You want this to come right down. Okay, back here. It's gonna close this nicely. And then this one, you're gonna pull right against that. See? I'm trying to keep it there so I have a hook. Okay, pull it tight. Same thing here. Okay, see this D-ring right here? Take that D-ring, go right underneath it. And pull on it. Pull on it. Okay. So it should look like that. I'm gonna do it on the other side, you'll see how it looks. Okay, so this is loose, right? So we had enough tarp. Where's that piece? Okay, see that piece? The right at the bottom? It's right underneath. Okay. And then you're gonna find it right there. Okay, go in there, pull on it as tight as you can. Okay, so that's just gonna tuck right underneath. See that? And then you're gonna take this D-ring. This should come down more. Okay. Let's see. This should come down more. Pull on it. Right there. Okay, perfect. Okay. You're gonna take this, hook out, pull on it. Okay. Okay, that's gonna hold that in place. See how that looks? Now what you'll do is I'll put my tarps right here and I'll squeeze it so it actually flattens it. It's really nice. And then what you could do, see how that is? You could put another one right here and pull it and hook it right here. Now hold that all down, okay? Okay, same thing here. Loosen this up. Okay, do the same thing here. Hook it through the rope rail and across. I can actually do one more with this tight. Okay, tight. Okay, there we go. Perfect. That's how it's gonna look. Okay, remember like I showed you guys, you tighten this so this doesn't come out. See that D-ring? Use that. So let me show you. You see like right there? Hook to that. Spread it out. What that does, it doesn't come out and balloon out. And then you just grab this. So essentially you're grabbing this, going there, take this one, fold it back. Fold it back. Pull on it. Okay. Tuck this in. Tuck this in. And you're gonna tuck that in. Okay. And what you're gonna do is put that in there, pull down, and then work up, pull it down right there. All right. Same thing here. Okay, you see this one's gonna go there. So you want the one. This in. Keep going. Pull it. Pull it. Perfect. Okay. So one of these bungees. You're gonna take this. Pull down. Okay. Pull, pull, pull. Okay. What we're gonna do here. Let's pull on this. Pull down. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Go find a couple more bungees, then we're getting out of here. Gonna reach this one. Go. It's good. We're gonna keep that third one out there because I know that's the 4-footer. What you do is take most of this flap, stick it out as much as you can so the tarp can go right on top of it. Hold it like that. Kick it nice and tight. We'll watch some of these. Okay, same thing here. Hold down. Okay, stretch. And usually what I do, take this, stretch this across so it doesn't blow in the wind. Water work that's coming this way, it's not going in there, so just know that. Same thing. Make sure it's better. Okay, check on that. That's good, that's good. Here. Thing you do here, stretch it back. Okay. What's up, everyone? We're here in Primm, Nevada at the Flying J, the border of California and Nevada. We just got this load, which I'm on right now, is Charlotte pipe. It's going to Ace Hardware in Rocklin, California. This is the first time on my new dispatch, new dispatcher that he's giving me one of these type of loads. My previous dispatcher, I've done these before. At Ace, you have to be on time. you have to be early. If you are late, they are going to fine you $400. So Prime doesn't really give you these kind of loads if you've been late or are not experienced. So it's kind of a trust thing. So I want to make sure I get there on time because I want to build that trust with my dispatcher, because my last dispatcher knew I could do them. So this is my first one for this dispatcher. So we're going to get there super early. I don't care. So that'll be the next video. And then if you guys want anything, also I've got emails and some comments what you guys want. One video I'm going to try to do is a day, like how I start to finish my day. Somebody wanted that, so I'm gonna try to do that video from like waking up, taking rest breaks, 30 minutes. Somebody wanted a video like that. So if you guys want anything, just let me know. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Stay safe. Peace out.